Hello and welcome to Trading with Rob. It's been an interesting week, it's been an interesting month, and the shares that we own have been pretty flat up till now. And as you can see, the all share has run kind of high up till now and is all the way up in an incredible realm up here at 40,500. It actually broke all records last week and it just keeps on going. But I'd be very wary at the moment, because if I look at this picture, it looks to me like it's just really hit the end now. And we've all seen this before in the past, 2008 being an example. Price to earnings ratio is very high on the market, and it just doesn't feel safe right now. So I'd be very careful with my long trades and keep a very close eye on them. As what happened to us this week with our Onyx REO trade, we stopped out on our Onyx REO trade, and we had a stop loss of 154. Okay, and as you can see, this long red bar down here, it just went straight through our stop loss. We unfortunately we weren't watching it, missed the point. It went through our stop loss. We ended up trading out at 151.65. Even though it's bounced back up now, it's still below our original stop loss, and this is not a good scenario. That long bar there and this long bar here. Now, we were on our stop loss here, but we didn't stop out, and then it went straight back up, so we left it in the following day without us even seeing it drop straight down here. So we did trade out of this trade. We took a small loss. We were supposed to take a 5% loss. We ended up with a 6% loss on this trade. Now, the trick here is not to do a revenge trade. Let's not go rushing back in here and try and revenge trade this. It's not necessary. If the trade looks really good, we might go back in with a long trade, but there are lots of other trades out there that we're looking at to replace this one with. We've taken our loss here, we walk away. We got it wrong. But our other trades, on the other hand, Ive Overcome, which we were also concerned about, as it was trading pretty much on our stop loss. Our stop loss is 109, and you can see the support line here that it was bouncing around on. And at one point I thought we were going to be stopping out on this one as well, but as you can see, it's turned around, it's bounced off its support, gone through its next resistance, and it's going up. So the next resistance is at 116. We can only hope that it goes through there, and if it breaks through there, it'll go back up. There's a big gap here to be filled as well, and if it fills that gap, we're looking pretty good for a recovery on this one, and perhaps this month we can actually make a bit of money on this one. That's of course if the all share doesn't pull back. If the all share pulls back, we're going to end up getting out of this as well, because it's going to go down with the all share at the end of the day. Our gold trade is also doing very well. I keep pressing the wrong button today, it's amazing. But anyway, our gold trade is also doing pretty well. It's picking back up now. It's on the upward swing. As you can see, everyone seems to be buying gold again. It's bounced off its lower support, and it's heading for its next resistance at 128. And if it breaks through that resistance and heads on up, its next resistance is way up here at 137, so you can actually leave it and watch it go all the way up. So if gold keeps on going, and if the markets become weak, then this is actually a very strong trade to be holding, because people will go into the safe haven, which is gold. So we're holding that trade and we're watching it very carefully. We were watching Bulletin, but we missed that trade and we never really traded it, so we're not going to even look in that area. Now, if you look at our platinum trade is actually looking quite good. You know, it has actually started picking up again. It was at 140. I don't know why it's showing it's closed here. Let me just see. There we go. It's 143 Rand now. You can see here where it turned over here at this point. Okay, that's where we purchased her. And now she's starting to pick up, and she's going at a nice little pace. It'll probably go at the sort of same pace as gold. The only thing that concerns me is the stochastic is very high, sitting at a very high level, but the RSI is not confirming yet. It's still only halfway through the picture, so I'll be worried if the RSI is up here at the 80 level. Then we're looking at a bit of trouble, and as you can see in the past, that has been the scenario. So we could have a bit of a run like this here, over here, sort of a long sort of couple of days where she could go up to about 147, 145, 147, even 150. But we'll watch her very closely if she starts pulling back, and that'll be the end of that trade. But as it stands at the moment, the trade is not looking too bad, and we're keeping this trade. New trades for the week. Well, like I say, we're being very careful because, as I say, if you look at the all share, which has been a bit of a tricky situation. I mean, it really has gone up high, and I mean, it's got a support at 40,000, it's got a support at 39,000, 38,000, but if it breaks below that 38,000 mark, which is down here, 38.5, 38, if it breaks down below there, then it's going way down, which means we're hitting a big pullback. But even a pullback to 38,000 is quite a large pullback, and it'll be quite a big hectic moment on the market. So, like I say, we're being very careful about trading in next week. We'll be watching it closely for you, and if it does look like it's going to carry on going long, then we'll look for a nice trade. And as it stands at the moment, I think everything's looking a little bit expensive, and I suggest we be very careful about what we trade next week. Have a wonderful week, and we'll report back to you next week. Cheers.